Hey guys, in this video we will make some amazing mini potato pizzas. They are a delicious treat, done in minutes. So let's get to it. First, we peel a few potatoes and we slice them up. We want thin slices so they cook all the way through. Next, we slice some ham. You can use lard if you want, it is up to you. We want thin slices. If you are looking for the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. When done, we clean and dice a few cloves of garlic, followed by the green onion. We crack a few eggs and we beat them up. Next, we add the sliced potatoes and a small amount of plain flour. We season with salt, ground black pepper, and we add the sliced onion and the garlic. We mix everything well together. In a hot cast iron pan, we add some vegetable oil and we add our mix to it. We sear it for roughly 5 minutes until it gets a nice golden brown color. We flip them and we add some cheese. You can use any cheese you like. We used white cheddar and some grated parmesan. As a last ingredient, we add the sliced ham and we cover the pan because we want the cheese to melt. After roughly 1 minute, we add the seared ham on top, and this delicious recipe is ready. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.